The DJI Mini 3 revolutionizes portable drone flying through remarkable 248-gram ultra-lightweight design, eliminating registration requirements in many jurisdictions while delivering professional 4K capabilities. This sophisticated foldable drone measures 148 mm folded dimensions, expanding to 251 by 362 mm, with propellers enabling compact transport while maintaining full operational capability. The impressive 38-minute maximum flight time, 51 minutes with extended battery, provides substantial operational duration, supporting comprehensive aerial cinematography throughout extended missions. The premium 1.3-inch CMOS sensor supporting 48-megapixel photography combined with comprehensive 4K divided by 2.7K divided by 1080p video recording capabilities delivers cinema-quality content. We share by links in description box. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal featuring tilt, roll, pan stabilization ensures professional-grade smooth video throughout all flight regimes and creative maneuvers. The quick shots automated cinematography modes including drone, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang enable professional content creation through simple tap operation. The advanced tri-directional sensing system incorporating downward vision prevents obstacles and enables precise hovering within 0.1 meters accuracy. The O2 digital video transmission system delivers 10 km maximum transmission range with 6 km CD range, providing confident long-distance control. The true vertical shooting capability through controllable gimbal enables creative aspect ratio flexibility. The multiple operating modes accommodating GPS, GLONASS, Galileo positioning provide reliable global navigation throughout world travel. The -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius operating temperature range enables global deployment throughout diverse climates. The compact foldable design combined with ultra-lightweight status enables convenient air travel and portability. The exceptional real-world customer satisfaction demonstrates consistent performance and professional video quality. The outstanding value combining ultra-lightweight design, 4K capability, 38-minute flight, gimbal stabilization, quick shots automation, and global transmission establishes this drone as exceptional choice for content creators and aerial photographers prioritizing portability and professional results.